Sanwaka Surong kalayu ekanam ladu kum Miss Meghalaya arca bhabriew. Hak kalayu ara ekanam job haka jingiakhop thei bhabriew. Kat baka lorita lalu kalawan baningkong kum first runners up. Marka Amida Juwana Kindia kalawan baar kum second runners up. Haka benta jongki samlarit ka uda rika kamar war kalak job yakam nam Miss Meghalaya arjar bhabriew. Yakini kinong job lapun I patba haka jingalang bat gilat pathai kubor.
I'm Brian Wala. I'm the State Director of the Miss Universe Meghalaya and Miss Meghalaya. And I'll just ask the others to just introduce themselves.
Hello everyone, my name is Sanwaka Surong. I'm 26 years old and I am truly honored to be crowned as your new Miss Universe Meghalaya 2026.
Hello, I'm Rupang and I'm your first runner-up Miss Universe Meghalaya 2026.
Hello everyone, I'm Ioh India. I am grateful to be honored the second on the subtitle for Miss Universe Meghalaya.
Hello everyone, I am Kamarma, your reigning Miss Meghalaya 2026.
Very good afternoon to everyone. I'm Shawar Pradhan, your State Pageant Coordinator for Miss Universe Meghalaya and Miss Meghalaya.
Hello everyone, glad to have you here. I am the pageant coach for the Miss Universe Meghalaya 2026 and Miss Meghalaya 2026.
I know we're meeting here after a period of time, but we just wanted to meet the press and express our gratitude for all that has happened so far and for especially being with us today here. And I just wanted to know if there's any questions you would like to ask our winners, because we had a 14-day period of training where the girls went through a lot of experiences, and I think they would love to share that with you. Because we just didn't want this to be a competition where we just had one day where the girls would be crowned and not learn anything from it. We had 20 teams and we had 16 in the Miss category. And talking to them after the show, many of them have spoken about how these 12 days transformed much of their way of thinking, the way they spoke, the way they carried themselves. And that is our aim actually, not only about winning the crown, but to be able to come out of this learning a lot, because I think today, where communication is concerned, that is something which is really required. Your presence when you meet people, the way you carry yourself, the choices you make, and all that we try to cover within these 14 days of practice and the different sessions that we had. So I would like to ask our reigning queen first to share a little bit of her experiences.
We had 14 days of intense training, and if you know me, I have been a pageant enthusiast. I have competed in many pageants before, but there was a time I chose to step away, not because I gave up, but because I needed to grow beyond the stage. So when I decided to participate again after 4 long years, I had this urge within me that I really want to represent my state on the national level. So talking about the experience, it feels surreal coming back, because 4 years is such a long time, and meeting all the girls, they're so full of life, full of energy, they're so eager to, they're so hunger, they're so thirsty for the crown, and I feel so glad that I was able to be with them. I'm a part of them, they were there with me. I learned a lot from them, and especially this organization is truly special to me because Sir, especially, he was so kind. He is like a father figure to all of us. And Sir Shravan, he was really busy with all the stuff, but despite that, he took his time to greet us, to tell us where we were lacking, what we should improve. And Ma'am Laila, I can't thank her enough, because she has been a mentor, a sister. She has guided not just me, but all the girls. She pushed us to come out of our comfort zone, to believe in our full potential, and the experience is truly amazing. I've learned a lot, and I thank God that I was able to win the title and represent my state.
Everything that Sanwaka said, I actually had such a wonderful time. It was so transformative. I'm so thankful for the team. We had different experiences. We visited museums. We went to the gym. It was all so fun. It was also enlightening. Yes, so I'm really thankful for the team and for this opportunity.
For the contestants that we had an emotional roller coaster throughout this journey. It was physically, mentally, and psychologically demanding. But regardless, the organization pushed our own limits. They helped us grow, learn. They helped us, regardless of mistakes, we have the experience, to the courage to grow from all the mistakes, all the journey, all the experiences we had through this session. It was so great to have members like Ms. Laila Sir Brian and Sir Shravan in such an organization to push us to bring the very best version in each and every one of us.
We will also train both of them. This is going to represent our state. And we want them to go there totally prepared. We don't want them to go there and think about anything else. So as much as we can from the organization, we're going to try to help them in any way we can, because once they step into the national platform, they're going to be representing Meghalaya, and we want it to be the best. We want them to be the best, so that they will bring not only glory to the state, but also glory to their families and to everyone else that of the state.